When you think about the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, you think directly about household items like cleaning, for instance, the stovetop using this Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. But did you know that you can also use it efficiently to clean other items? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to clean your computer keyboard using this Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. The good thing about this is that I will not be using chemicals to clean my keyboard. I'm gonna simply dip the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser in water and then wring it very good. So let's start. So now I wet the Magic Eraser and I squeezed it very good so that I don't get water into my keyboard, and see how my keyboard is not clean. So let me try to clean it to see how good it will clean it. Oh my God, it really is very, very, very good. Of course, here my keyboard is not connected to my PC. So I'm gonna clean it thoroughly. First, I'm gonna clean the keys like this, and then I'm gonna clean the spaces. I'm not gonna press hard, because if I press hard, the Magic Eraser will decompose and parts of the Magic Eraser will go into the keyboard, and you don't want that. So here, let me keep on cleaning it. And it really is cleaning everywhere on the keyboard. And this shows that the Magic Eraser really is a multi-purpose cleaning tool. One other good thing about it is that it traps the dust, so the dust don't get spread everywhere on the keyboard. And see how it did a very good job cleaning the keyboard. So now my keyboard is almost like new, thanks to Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. And I still can use it because it's not decomposed completely.